say, don't be a bully, be a friend.
It's not cool. It's not allowed around our school. When the bullying is done, you look like a fool. But bullying others like a down Sunday group. Bullying others is really not cool. It's not allowed around our school.
Gangsta!
A bully is a person who repeatedly bothers someone, making them feel helpless and overpowered.
I know what happened to you. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You need to stop that right now. I'm going to tell the teacher.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not going to get into you because you're ugly. You're going you're not going to treat my friend like that. You're either be nice or I'm going to tell the teacher. I'm sorry.
Rules anti-bullying, girls.
We will not bully others.
We will try to help students who are bullied.
We will try to include students who are left out.
We know that somebody is being bullied. We will tell an adult at school and an adult at home. Be a bully.